everyone. So, a lot of you had sent me some doubts regarding the paper. So, I'm going to refer to some of the doubts that you people had sent. Although, sare questions ke answers I could not find, but some of them I kind of guessed and tried finding. So, I will be discussing them with you people since today is the last date. So, going with the first question that was given to me by students was 17, which had asked which of the following system in India conceptualized that agrarian social structure in the framework of exchange relations? The correct answer is number B, that is Jajmani system. And for 17, I could not really find exactly uh, data to support it, but you can still try finding. I'm sure there will be some data, but it's a very commonsensical answer, so I think they should be reviewing it without, even if you do not give it a source. The next question that students had asked me was Kalbelia is a dance form. Now, this is a very famous one. It is from Rajasthan. You go to any website, any UPSC site, they will tell you it is Rajasthan, so there is no problem with that. The next question was a particular question on match the following. Now, the correct answer to this match the following is number D. The reason is because Kadar tribe is from Tamil Nadu, so C is equal to 4 is coming only in 1. And lastly, Sentinelese is from Andaman, so that is also matching. So the correct answer is number D. To support your answer, you people can show the picture of Wikipedia. In fact, I had also done that only for the match question. You can just search Wikipedia or just type the tribe of Kadar and they will tell you it's a tribe from Tamil Nadu and Kerala. Okay. So let's see the next one now. In fact, I have also attached this thing from this website called Encyclopedia Britannica. So you can see that Kadar is a small tribe from Kerala and Tamil Nadu. The next question that students had given the doubts was related to question number 47, that David Dressler considers which of these as the primary social processes. Now the correct answer to question number 47 is number D, that is 1, 4 and 5. And as a proof I have attached um, this Google Books image, so you people can support with this also. Now let me tell you, I will be giving all these links and pictures on the Telegram channel as well. Okay, so let's look at the next question that you people had given me as doubt. The next is DP Mukherjee's Borderlands of Economics. I'm sorry, but for 70 I could not find any data, so I'm sorry, I don't know what can be the correct answer for this. Next is 71. Binoy Kumar Sarkar had not talked about Marxist sociology, so the correct answer is number C. Now, to support your answer, you need to give a picture. So, I have found this in a book, in an article. So, there is the heading of the article and the page where they mention the types. Now, he does not talk about Marxist. Therefore, the correct answer to question number 71 is number C. Question number 122, I could not find any data, but the correct answer is D and A, that is attribution of conscious life into inanimate objects. Animism means soul, so you should understand that people used to think that everything has a soul. And lastly, that animals also have a soul. So A and D is the correct answer, although I could not really find the data. So if you want to challenge, you can, or else it is up to you. The next question is a very famous question for null hypothesis. Question number 116. The correct answer is falsifiability, number C. So for that, I have attached a link. I will be sending this link to you people as well, which has the exact definition. The next question that you people had asked me was which of the following ideas does not exist in postmodernist times? So the correct answer to question number 105 is number C again, that is rationality, progress and objectivity. For this also I have attached proof where I exactly found it. So I have included the book's name and the page number which is there. The next is question number 100. Although I could not find any data related to this, but I'm sure the correct answer is manufactured, because option D is the exact opposite of what Gramsci says. There is no coercion. People's ideas are created in a way that people consent to it. So I think the correct answer is definitely number B. Question number 95, although again I could not really find an exact data, but the correct answer should be personal and impersonal, because as a mode of data I have attached this particular Google book image where it says that Foucault talks about sovereign power, disciplinary power, and so on. Some are of impersonal nature, some are of personal nature. So I think that should be enough for the challenge if you guys want to. And the last question is for marks. Praxis stands for, again, I could not really find the data, but if you visit the Wikipedia page of Praxis, that is enough. Option A is exactly opposite of what he is saying. Marx says you should never use theory for practice, rather, you should use practice for theory. Things that only human beings can do. So, with that logic, I think it should be number D. You can attach the Wikipedia page as well, because the rest of the two options are not really relevant. So I hope it has helped you. I am going to send all these links and pictures immediately on my Telegram channel, that is Antara Chak, or you can just search Antara Squad. Okay, thank you so much. All the best. I hope you people can go ahead and contest these questions.